Yeah, I mean I say big up to all my viewers and subscribers that don't know see a tax and what they represent for Talk Up TV 1. And for you see the face you know it's an epic movie, you understand? So watch you know, it name Emotional Recovery. You understand? So press the like button, tell a friend to tell a friend. Continue watch. Yeah.
So you're gone. But the more things so plans so we are gonna do. Have kids together and everything. You tell me say you're gonna always did it for me. Just get up and gone so. No me alone there, me not no company, me not nobody. No me have to distance myself and everybody. And me have to do a look back. All the memories. I work because I feel like I work to do a big hole in my heart. You promise me. In the when I give me the chain, you tell me say I go always stay there for me. I see that. God, why you have to take it personal when I care about him once? Oh, God. Every day I ever go through depression. It can't go 3 days. It can't go to the day of it, please. God, please, God, and protect me on the way going to work. I know what happened to my partner happened to me.
Yeah, give thanks. The day look bright. Touch the road, you know. Go on them out to walk going first, because I don't know. Man can just touch the road like that.
Come on, bye. That's it.
She don't know star from mine, I need to get a car star. Last time I feel them there in a bar, daddy. And yo, I be a floss, me a floss them, and this morning when I cat say, early my car, and no, me not hear cat give me a shot. Hey, them girls don't really want nobody, you know, come like those things they want. You see me? But anyway, that's life come down. We meet up one of them daily again. You see me? Yeah, man. Wow. Nice to be here for us, yeah. Hi. I got a few minutes of your time, please.
What a problem?
No problem. I just want to say something to you, baby.
I'm not interested right now.
Yo, baby, I see sun hot for you. Can you give one umbrella, you know? Yeah, no, you tell us you're the woman who look good, but one thing I notice, man, you see when a girl that come out here, see her, she a pass and she a go like she better than people, you see me? The whole her head straight, you see me, I call her for her, she going like she don't want a response. But I say you go around. Yeah, man, you see you? Wow.
What you want?
Hey, no baby.
What
Why you
bad?
just show me what's up?
Why you know say?
You know, star. You couldn't give me a call, I'll wait for you call me.
You know say
Whole
something
night
did come
in
up
the
through
phone,
and then
man,
the phone did shut down and then me I wonder like you see service
So
now
like,
pick up so.
like you're not busy and I
What?
can't make
No,
it
you
go on
know
the road.
say watch out, you know say someone may go do I mean I
Yeah,
want
baby.
yes, but watch out now me will call you.
Baby,
Before now come
baby.
up back and me will call you.
That you tell me first
Me
night,
don't call you man, no worry
Alright,
yourself.
I left you to hear already. That's what I say,
I
baby.
don't call you, me
Yeah,
say.
man, cause you
Sure.
know, you see, when you love somebody,
Me will call you.
your time is just your time, yeah?
I go here later.
Alright, take care of pretty
Yeah.
stuff, yeah, baby. John was star, yo, I can't believe you. Hey, come like mama can me again, daddy. Holy, if I just know like mama last night in a star. I know I'm up in a mama and I say, yo, mama John was star. Mama say, you can't look, mama say, please, you know, but one of them days still. Yeah, watch it. Now, my brother up on the bar, I want to link up on here, I'm link him up. See you next time, the girl in the last night. Idiot dog, man, come at man. Nasty ball and clocks in the bar. Yo, let's see how the dog, yo. Big foot, yo. Yeah, David. Yeah, no general, you know, say you me rise up so me I come lock up. So I go on, yo, a big boy down at club last night, no daddy. Yo, come out there, son, man. Yeah, move some, man.
I move like a girl them tomato so and the girl them Irish.
Yo,
I move so.
A big boy down at bar last night, dog.
Yeah. Yeah, I say.
Yeah, man, we did it, man.
After me left the deck, I have a slider got to deal with that thing, you know.
Yeah, man, me I tell you, after you left the man, yo, me I tell you. Say, yo, me and the girl are exchange number, you see me I say?
So hold on.
Eh.
None of them call it.
No, you don't know, say, B, say, you ain't gonna call me in the morning. You see me I say? But me did I don't get no call.
Brother, you move
But
like
you
a
don't know the greatest thing, Jana. So I kept me just see a while ago, you know.
So I go on.
Boy, greatest thing, boy, you know, say me and I did that whole reason, brother. After me I tell her, say, yo, you know, so make you go for a place because we never get to go. You know, man, so make you go for a place because all I enjoy. You can't tell me, say, yo, you know, say, hurry, man, hurry to go somewhere.
So I agree about that, brother. Hear that talk
exactly,
about.
so you go call me still, but me I wait for the call. You see me, I say, but you know, even not to watch them, you know. I don't know.
You see what I notice with you? It come like you don't know if you do with the money in a virgin. When me cannot just go build one fall cube and race one fall virgin. Eh? You just a dash it, yo, brother. I saw no idea with thing, brother.
Yo, pa, yo, you know, say that is a good move, but me I tell you say right now, I
feel no way, no, brother. I encourage you to save your money and make it stay in your pocket, you know, brother. Eh?
Yo.
Where you feel say? When the money done, where you feel say? Girl, gone left your brother. I'm go to take time save my bills and me a nigga still, but me not tell no lie. Me nah go take up my last money and give you. Cause you ain't done for your virgin and like you idiot. Yo.
Yo, my brother.
Brother, me all feel grief, brother.
Right now. That don't even matter, you know, my general, cause you know, man come out on the road clean, cause yo, man I get in a age now, you don't know, say yo.
No man.
A girl me say, you know.
That's why I see it say I get in a age. Like you get C9 or C line.
No, yo, no.
You sitting there go wrong with the brain, brother. Eh? Come like you have too much money, bro.
Yo, my general. Yo, see them a young girl, you have to spend money upon them. You see me? Cause if you not spend
And that my grandfather and for my father use. So nobody come like you a trick yard, man. A trick up, man, a be. Eh?
Yo, what me I say, my brother?
Brother,
yo,
man, we are big man, brother.
Yo,
We are big man, brother. And we are thugs, brother.
Look over this one, man.
Eh?
Look over this one.
No one I see him, bro.
No, I know, say this man, I see the cat there, and I call the cat there. And the cat go on like
say,
yo.
Man.
Yo, right now, the cat go on like
Remember
say, yo, shit, you make party, you know, dog. You see me, I say, no one talk, no one. Aye, princess.
Brother, I don't see it.
Yo, watch this, man.
Yeah, baby.
What watch ya?
One
Me
man
that
in
must
a hole
poppy
in a
show
baby.
this.
See a crook match your blouse, baby.
Listen to me now, mama.
You look spendocious like would have spent some money on you. Hey, baby, what size are we? Like, you know. God, no, baby. Your ears ring pretty though. You're such a darling. Oh. No, baby.
What are you doing? I don't touch me.
Hey, baby, me just want Florida in your life like this.
Hello, me I go through my problem, then I'm going to take it out for you.
Oh God, baby, you know, like you have not a problem. No problem at all. No problem. Put it. You know, see how we match. You can par.
Match where?
We are par. You can par. What's your name, baby?
Come out of my way, sir.
Baby, you're looking beautiful. I like you.
Stop walk me down now. Me not look nobody, you know. Me not want nobody.
Hey, be see you.
Yo, tell about them girl, man.
Like she go on, man. Yo, remember say one of our virgin. Forget
Yeah,
that.
the girl
You see
that
me?
go like they don't want nobody. Girl that go like them shit can.
Yeah, remember say gun man in your hole, you know.
Country girl, faster.
Brother.
Let me tell you about my general.
Brother, no
Tell
worry
you, see how
yourself.
them girl that go like them don't want nobody then.
A simple
You see
thing
me?
that cause
But
boy,
you
I'm
and a
not tell you
girl
what
ain't
go
even
on,
bother
man.
nothing still in my general.
Brother.
You see me? And that's why me I tell you say yo bullshit walk and money talk.
Brother, listen,
You see me?
man. You wanna? You have a nigga named Chap Lad, man. You know him too. Yo, them man they come like a locksmith. All when they lock. All when you know a whole rusty lock. Them
Where's the man
they
can
pull it.
open it?
I mean, man.
You can go link him now. Cause
Yeah,
remember, say I
man.
just pay spend me a spend and that.
Brother, that if you know you, them man, they grew with my grandfather.
I if them
Alright,
man
them man, they a
so,
bigger man
if
for me.
them man the turbo, so
Eh?
not really spend
Then
again.
I
Them
show
man
you
the
a line.
turbo,
Man, they
you see me?
Oh,
I
brother.
mean, man. It's a good look that. Yo, squad, you know, so you want to beat the Virgin Chap Lad.
Brother, that
I
girl,
know you
I
know
forget
the
shot,
family,
brother.
their name there.
Brother,
Yes,
that
them
girl,
man they run a girl factory. They girl, they waste of time now.
yeah, one thing, yeah, girl is still in there, you know.
They waste of time. Must have to spend my money for one more, you see me?
Yo, my boss. I'm on forward. Yeah, dude.
How is this going around here?
Yo, long time I don't see you still in my general. Go
Yeah,
on.
man. The thing good.
Man, everything not good enough.
Blessed.
Oh, God,
Yeah, man.
Oh, everything not good. Me see how you gonna make a tea I make.
So pick some service for you
Oh,
something.
brother, you don't know say yo. God know my friend. I don't know say one little feel around us I give each other, brother. And
Jesus.
you don't know say what's his
Christ.
style now. You know me is a man that too like to them thing, you know.
Alright, come to the talking now. Come in. Can't talk on the side of the car. You know, say push our beers, you know, we can't talk, you know. You understand?
Yeah, man, I get this boss, this man. Them man, yo, my boss, is this a virgin?
Oh, yeah, they my general.
Come in some man, we say push our beers, man. Let's see how go on, man.
You know me there, my general.
Yo, let me do it talking, man.
Alright,
Yo, girl is boss. Remember say I all girl is in a man from day one, you know. You don't know say I want like a shell, you want your crap, brother. This man I see object, you know, but
So,
you know,
what object I go on with?
you know when some girl I go on hype it, but you know, right now, I'm not tell no line on my boss. I want hot
No pressure.
try things
That's
still,
a
but
problem, man. When you play hard,
You know,
don't
say
pressure the
general,
girls. them.
me name too pressure.
See, once you call to the
Yeah.
girls, them, listen,
Yeah.
man, listen me now. Once you call to the girls, them, and they don't answer, but then go on.
Oh.
yo,
So you go to them and attack them and attack them. You give them chance to style you and tease you or something, you know?
yeah,
But
yeah.
still, yeah, me see man, me not really give no
Me not-
hope at
it's a
all
good
still,
evening.
you know.
No,
No,
never
me just
pass.
a go
Let me tell you
down
what
and
I
say,
do.
yo.
This
Big
a
man,
man
money
have
talk,
money.
you know. Yeah,
Money
that's what
talk,
me
boy.
say. That me not say, you see
No,
me?
money can't talk. Every time money talk, man.
Listen me boss, no, man.
And every time money talk, sometimes if you have money, sometimes say good evening, how was the day, and then they put in the board. Guess what? I go help you, you know.
Yeah, father.
Nick, girl at TikTok.
Why girl no take no talk, you know, my general.
One day, one day.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you know? You draw up a plan.
Yeah, father.
You go pretend on a robbery.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't have to go do it.
No wrong, man.
Serious, father.
Uno.
Yeah, man. Yo. Yeah, go rob her now. That's your first when I look at her.
No, man, you know, see your man look dog, me not tell you, say you clean, man, a clean dog. Me
I don't want to my friend, man.
Yo, me general, me not tell you, say money and old dog. No,
brother,
can
me-
Alright, look at that.
Yeah, man,
Rob,
it's
you
that
forget
me,
that,
yeah,
you know.
brother.
Yeah, father.
Nick, let me make your boy do it.
I mean, man, I see it. You have to go do it, brother. You get yourself involved.
Listen,
in this,
listen
brother.
up. You're going to pretend like you're a robber. Jump in and see if you're
All right.
Talk to her.
All right.
Feel her out. And if you work out, you move her upon this. I mean, you can know what I watch.
All right.
Well,
Anything you say, father.
Easy.
No, man. Well, remember say no, nothing, but where you go do? Eh?
Or you say, man, I'm on me check on the pan. There's some team here, Bill. I'm going to make, so tomorrow I'm going to check me here.
All right. Anything
But
you
guess
say.
wait. How where she live?
You know, say, You know, definitely where I live, you know, but here I know, it big up past every man I see them up on the road, you know.
Let's see, right. Come on, me check on here. I know that show me, yeah.
So where's your father? You take your hand back.
Oh, yes, sir. Come on, you go check me.
All right,
yeah.
father.
General,
No,
first
yeah.
you deal with the thing going on my boss.
I easy squeeze this, man. That's why I make, you know me Christian. I easy squeeze this, man.
All right,
It's a
father.
salsa. Yeah, pop soup. All right.
You know me, General. Real girl is that, man.
Yo, one thing me ask for that.
Yeah.
You know for a paper?
Yo, you know, so me never try it.
Yo,
Oh, yo, anything, you know, cause me as a good girl, you know. You see me? And he look good. So you are going and the girl all play hard and yo, a rabbit girl. Father, I beg you, really, yo, you hear me, father? Yo, you hear me? Yo, you up on the girl, come and live, you know, on top. Yo, me a rabbit.
no man, lot you sound so serious, brother.
Then know what I mean. Then let me see him, I will call him so nice and he not respond.
Brother, remember see a plan, we a plan to get you, man, brother. You don't know why my girl is friend have in mind, brother.
Then your girl is friend to deal with the rest, man.
Brother,
Done your work, man.
that's easy, brother. You can't move.
Yo, me the rabbit girl, man, that kinky phone.
You come like your teeth you chew in a laptop.
Yo, me can never do it yet, and I have to try it, isn't it?
Brother, now what's going
Yo,
on?
me must not need to tell you that here, you know, father. Yeah, that's it, man. You know, listen to the word.
You have to bend up, so you know that. You bend up, brother. I mean, I feel a bit here. I move like say you go pan up there, brother. You know, if you move, so you know, brother. Me walk better, I'm not feel.
Hello? What me now? So you make all of this in the buy run out already? What you mean say? So wait, you taking baby money and I'm mind the baby girl? What you do? I don't fear money. Someone talk about attention, they go and come here alone, they don't get the pitney. If you want money, you ask your man them for money, you can't take your baby money. And next thing you want to go a court. What kind of sitting that?
That man wake up now. Yo, my general.
Yo, my God, my son come back. I need all the business.
Yo, father.
You don't see you go on, ready and waiting, you know.
Yeah, man.
Sir, we keep you waiting in a general.
Yeah, man, the best thing, man, you know. When they reach door.
Yeah, man, I show you know say girl now pass that yet, you see me?
Oh, I best time.
Yo, you know
Yeah,
what I'm
man, so you don't know.
Yo, so you working hours and so your girl working
Yeah,
hours.
man,
Yeah,
yeah, man,
I
no.
like general for you talk to me from with him. I don't like how my virgin and mouth still in about everything
Because
go
I
good still, you know?
give one shot. I want it.
Yo, father, I'm good. Me have a strap.
You say if I want it, yes or no?
No, father.
All right, then. Listen, ready or no?
Yeah, man, yo, take off your glass when I talk to the boss, brother.
You ever have somebody before? No, you never have somebody before. Okay, that long pants. Yeah, I know.
Man,
You're running pan rough. You see me? Listen to me, man. Running pan rough. What's that matter for? Tell us, my son come.
yo, this man general attack, you know, man, a girl is boss, you know, man, anything he say goes, you know, my boss. It's cool, no, man.
You've all on them before.
What up?
This year I go use a big girl. What I'm pan this?
No, boss.
Hold on, what you mean, sir, man?
Boss, me not deal with them things, boss. Me have the thing. Yeah, the strap.
This strap.
Yeah, my one strap, boss. The only thing me want is a mask, man. My one strap, boss.
You know, more that, you know. Yo. Show me strap, brother.
Simple kind of thing.
You know, you need to tell me see your strap,
Father,
brother.
simple strap.
How about that?
Hey,
Man.
what kind of man this, man? What kind of man this? You're not serious, man. How you think you girl go panic?
Father, see them.
Yeah, you
Yo,
know.
you come like, brother, hold on, man.
Father, it's a mask, man. Father, believe me, no, father.
Come like
Father,
this,
me
man,
can
licking
talk.
you.
Listen me now. Yeah, shaky.
Eh?
Listen more you do. But you're running pan rough.
Yeah,
rough apart.
Yeah, father.
You see me? Me and they come one side and go and watch. And they get to a point, me run in.
Yeah, father.
And you know, kind of should be off and say, what you do? And then say, Mr. After you take that.
You really should me down.
You mean, man, then I have to make you look real?
Anything else, father?
So they never tell about me?
Anything else, father?
Okay, hold on upon this.
Yeah, father.
The master, when you go para your face off, it's sure. You can't make a girl know you. See how you? Because I know you already know Nick.
Father, sure say the master.
Yo, come here. No, come here.
Yeah, man, we have power down the back. I'm not idiot, man. What you do, you?
I can't see.
This man, man, you have beat, you go beat up a thing in my
School,
youth.
man. The school, man. I know if you deal with it, man.
Chi, man.
You ready? Alright, far. Cut down. Come in. Nick, ready?
Brother, demon game, man. Your name to put on it. You don't reach it, brother.
Oh, the Nick. Come on, come on.
No, I have to put on it in.
Yeah, man, you know.
A woman, you know. I'm going to move there, I'm going to father.
Talk about strap.
Father, you man, I do it. Damn time. Come on, father, come on, man. I see mission to complete. Yo, I deal with the wicked fear in my boss.
Man.
Yo, I feel like I sell a car.
Brother, what you doing there, man?
That's all.
Take off your mask,
Yo,
brother.
take off your mask. What you do that, too?
You can't make it take that.
Yo, take off your mask before people say that, man. What you do, man?
I'm not free, man. Yeah, brother.
Yo.
Concentrate and come on, budge, and all the people. Yeah.
Same way.
I mean, father, every little make a muck.
Yo, come on now, man.
If I have no scraps, I ain't no boss.
That's your girl is your teeth.
Come on, my general. Now watch him, man. I saw
Why
you.
any one of them, man? A circumstance. You see my boss?
Still good, boss, man. Yo, general. Right up in that lane that she live in.
That's where she come from.
Yeah, and she have to pass her stuff.
Watch out now. Lato.
I'm between certain times.
When you go over there, so go iron here.
This one, man. Say,
Yeah, Nick, I go there, don't you, so. So she come, just make it so that sound. Make you know so she come.
Alright,
Yo, go on. Before she.
yo, put on the mask and make sure say your strap good.
Come in, Nick. Yo, Nick, what this money I do?
So, brother, you see, say man turn him back, him mask back and front, brother.
Yo, Lato, better than that, man. What you do, man?
boss, me can't see.
Don't tell us say you idiot. Turn you on, you idiot.
Lato, come on, man. Better than that, man.
Boss, yeah, that's a little simple mistake, man. You deal with it, man. I take care right now, boss.
Yo, come.
Brother, man, I move shaky still, you know that. I mean, I like why man I move, you know.
I saw that there.
I saw him.
Hey, take off one. Give me a bag.
No, please, Namiga, please, no. Take care.
Hey, run.
No, take care.
Run him back.
No, see.
Take off the chain, give me.
No.
Take off the chain.
Take off the chain.
What's on your top?
Take care.
No,
Take me back.
Give me that. Hey, boy. Come.
Get me back.
Move before me. Hey, boy. Move for you.
Here, girl.
Me back.
Don't let me see you run again, yeah? That me I tell you. Hello, you good? Come on, man. Calm down, man. Calm down, man. You're good now. You're good. Oh, you alone now, panic side over there. Bro, so why you never take taxi? Hello. Look here. Look here, let me introduce myself. My name is Chappie. You can't trust me. Come and walk and go around. Come on.
me, Brittany.
Come on.
Give me back this time for me,
You're
please.
traumatized, but look, you know, me a lifesaver, me a guide right now. You understand? Come on. Come on. Calm down, man. Everything good. In my hand, everything good.
Man, you go on, man. I tell you, man. Fowl we feed a yard, no hard to catch. What do you, man? Go on like you play hard and for me and me J. See it there? General have you locked down. Wrap round and like a banger. Call me virgin and no one there in there. Yo, locked up! Yo! Yo! Thank God!
Man. I think that I say everything good.
Yeah, man, the general have him locked down.
Like that, man.
Yeah.
I say mission curse.
Right now, you see him, you see him boss deal with it.
You're right now. Box me, box the girl now.
Brother, take off the mask, brother. Take off the mask. Boss gone with you. What do you, man? A simple thing, you know, so man
I
deal
mean
with
a
it.
simple cosmetic, man. I'm not telling you, yo, know.
Them man, they
Not true, you see me so clean at the time, you send it touch down. Dirty. Just believe it, man. Yo, see me?
Yo, come here, we have to go touch road. Wicked and yo, we are road to beat up dog. Yo, you see about why boss there now. Chipping get me a chipping. A piece of me, I get no girl, no chance again.
Yeah, man. In the shape, up there, man.
Go here, boss.
You really got work, so?
I don't want to work because my mind just not there.
Okay, just call the boss and tell him, say, you're not going to make it today. Because you don't feel so well. Because the man don't think would love.
Come sit down.
They're not be themselves. Come, sit down right there, so come. God, that's how life go. Look, see, I go by your peaceful way. And them a hoodlump you. So they turn, they don't like woman, you know.
You don't call me boss now.
Yeah, man, call him and see what I say. Who them protect you, they might rob you. That don't make sense?
I'm not giving nothing for them, Rob. Yeah, bossy. Yeah. Me not gonna get to make it at work today because I look at something go down and me not gonna get to make it. When me see in person, me talk about the party, not over phone. Alright then. I have a great day also.
Like how your feet shake up right now, you can buy a malt in the car. See one bar right there, so you can drink it and calm down. Because a beautiful girl like you, I mean, when you feel traumatized, you calm down yourself, okay?
I don't feel traumatized already.
And that's why I buy a malt so you can feel better. When I'm here, everything is okay. I will fix your problem.
Alright, me take it.
You understand? Come on.
Man, everything go on, man. I mean, man. But one thing though.
Yeah.
Like, you see big boss gone with that girl, you see?
Yeah.
What? The next girl, them not call her yet.
Yo, brother, you know, say,
Eh?
yesterday, they on my mind. Yesterday, girl not call me, you know, daddy.
Why, brother? I look good on face side, you know, brother. Cause
you know
them
more,
phone
that's
call,
why
it look
things set,
like
you know.
they now work out, you know.
I mean, I hold it for a movie, making a...
Hold on, man. Yo, hold on. From when you show out, you know, my time, you know.
Do I have to do my boss? I don't know.
Hi, beautiful.
Good evening.
How you doing? My name is Squaddy, the girl I'm daddy. Are you looking like a what called
Girls, them daddy.
Jesus, you look nice, bro.
Yeah, thanks.
Can you spare me a moment at a time, please?
I don't really have much time. You know, someone catch one shop before it close because I want to see if I get one pack of pills.
Oh, your head was hurting you?
I don't feel so 100, I feel like a flu.
Oh, why you look so nice and beautiful. I would love to know your name and know you a bit more, you know what I mean?
My name is Shayna still in a but
Oh, Shayna.
you kind of look like you want like a general, you know, cause
No, can I walk with you?
not really, but you go leave your friend and you and your friend they walk.
No, I'm good, man. We just, you know, we do a thing. We all big people, so
I
we
don't
just
like
step
how you
aside.
just
Left your, so you go just walk with me and leave your friend. You
No.
never have somewhere going?
Yeah, but I'm just telling you that you look so gorgeous, you
No,
know what I
I'm not
mean?
gonna say everything good cause friend take up your friend, but
Boy, me not tell
as
you
I
no
said,
lie,
the
no.
girls, them daddy, me not really understand the partner, so
I
I'm not
mean-
sure if more you walk with me.
No, you know, I'm a fan of ladies, you know what I mean?
I
And
understand.
I can't see good things just pass by, you know what I mean? So true, I'm single as a hit record, I was just throwing up my line, you know what I mean?
Well, at first, me I see, I not really want to walk with you the first time, so
Yeah,
probably
man,
one
there's a
next
first in
time.
everything, man.
Probably a next time, yeah.
But man, can I get a phone number?
I don't want you to stalk me, you know.
No, man, look for me good, man.
Sure, you're not gonna stalk me.
Sure, 100% sure.
Alright. Give me a phone, let me put the number there.
Things are mad without that.
You know,
Yeah, you know, say me left my phone.
you left your phone.
Yeah, just give me a minute, man. Me I'll link my virgin, man. Them man, they have their phone. Don't go in. Yo, brother. Leave my phone, brother. I'll get the B number. Let me a
I
phone.
mean, man, do your thing,
I
man.
mean, man. No, no password.
No, I don't use password. A crossword, you see?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Sorry about that. Yeah, man, let's put in a number.
Alright.
Right, I will make sure I'm calling in a car. In LA, you see me? So hold on. Yeah,
See me?
yeah man, me see you save it, man. Share, you know.
I remember saying your phone this, right?
So hold on. I'll get your number as soon as I go home, man, and take it out. You see me?
Okay, so
So me can call you anytime.
don't call me too late.
Oh, so
You
you have
don't
a
know
boy,
nothing.
so you have a
I
boyfriend?
never tell us I have a boyfriend, but what if me go to bed early?
Okay, sometimes, you know, starting out small, you know, friendship, but more get intimate in a while, but not to rush things, you know what I mean?
Anyway, later.
Yeah.
Hope to see you
God
again,
know your hand
if
them
possible.
soft, baby, me not tell no lie.
Alright.
Out of ear, God know more I'm playing in your ear, baby. John know. John know star. Brother,
I mean, Father, on everything.
God know
Father,
you.
Father, you know I'm there, I pray.
Yo, come like object bingo, brother, you know
That's
see
what I
that?
talk about. Father, you know something there, I pray. Me, I wonder if I know Paulo number, girl, give me.
Brother, you come like you want a wash off, you come like a salt, you salt, brother. You see a one step cross, my step cross, brother.
So you say me forget a pan of rainwater.
Brother, you need a bath, brother.
A rainwater me for use, pa.
I don't know, you know, brother, but you come like then set you so, brother. You can't get a girl, brother. You just a spend out the money, so.
Me I wonder if I just do me I say money, get me now get none of just pay number. Them I take off my money and just give me number and I call me. You see me?
Brother.
Come on, upset still, you know. But anyway, so meet up on the cat today.
Brother, as soon as I go out, you know, brother, I go want the number out of the phone.
Father, everything good, man.
What you say your name again?
Do you have short memory?
Because we talk a lot of things, you know.
Want me
so
to open it?
Yeah, open it.
Sure.
You have to make sure, say, you know,
Can I run in?
162 a little bit of energy drinks for you, you know.
Oh, show the for this outside.
See it there, yeah? Oh, I drink this here?
Yeah, man, here.
Alright.
So much of that, right?
You know, say I'm fraud. You understand? But I best do this for you. Because what happened to you, I don't go something could happen to anybody else. You understand? And if you never need it, find me the worst. You understand? I'm a beautiful girl like you. You're gonna be a guidance, shield, protector.
Sir, I just know you, so I don't understand what you thought, like, we're going to go in a one relationship.
No, I never said that. I never said that, you know. Just I say, as from now, if you want me, walk you to work, walk you from work. You understand? That's fine.
So which man going to help out a woman nowadays and not look nothing in return?
In return, I'm okay.
Huh?
In return, I'm okay. Because I go and help you out. You understand?
We
That's
shall
fine
see
with you?
about that. Yeah, that's fine with
Okay.
me. Okay.
No problem.
No problem.
Alright, come me follow you go home. We can reach home, see. Okay? Alright. Bartender. The general. Big up yourself.
Yeah. Girl, they look good. Girl, they look good.
You girl?
Yeah.
Me a simple X, yo. Good still in that
Cool, no man, how are you, man? I see me get your number quick and fast. How are you, man? Link, I go link up my G and I see what you want.
Let's go, let's go.
Shake up, man. Where are they? I think could have gone check me earlier, but
You know, say we not forward on the lane, but when top of all one drive down the road down the south.
we don't be close enough to go circle,
We have
man.
to link your man, cause you know.
Right. Yeah, for somebody kind of rough, you know.
I mean, say rough, brother, you know, mash up the can do.
Solid.
Yo, no bother with them fooling shit,
What you mean to
brother.
them, the
Yo.
choppy? Say yo,
See that one there?
father.
I want to do something about up on.
Yo, father. Yo, I mean, I tell you, you see when you take on
See by the time, you take out the cucumber, you put it between the sandwich. Oh, so God. She said no.
So you're not trying plan B?
Yo, me risk my life.
And that me have to go do now.
Let me down for now and still in my boss, but...
You wanna challenging, but
Yo.
worry yourself, man. I get there, Aziz.
That's the school, no, man. Me you couldn't get you, man. The school, no, man. Give boss some more time, brother. Yo.
Yo, show you things a tough nut for crack for her.
That me I show you, then you have to give
So
boss
yo,
some
me
more
not try
time,
my
brother.
best. Can you see, me just check your mission.
Yeah.
You check it and it still not work out. And the boss check it and the
Yeah.
boss still has
So
struggle
you-
for
so
you.
you
I'm not telling you, say, yo,
So that me I show you.
body thing on the man, I see.
I know, man.
I guess I know, check me the wrong time. I'm gonna check with me easy.
Yo, man.
Yo.
So I check with me out there.
General, me know, see, I show you no dep on the mad vibes, you know. I know I'm Pelico, you know.
No,
General.
alright. So we cannot chill, but no.
Yeah, man.
I get into it. Don't worry yourself, man.
Yeah, man, everything go good still, man. But, yo,
It's a terror here, place there.
yo, watch your style, that, you know.
Look on.
Yo.
No, man, that you too. You know, say easy to me.
Yo,
A regular thing, man.
I show me general, I pray.
Right,
my
first,
boss,
yeah,
I be a feel, you feel from where there now. I be a name girl and I'm mouth, you know, me general.
Yo.
Yeah,
Yeah,
say.
so you know, say on the road, my father, you know.
No, you said, you want to take my money?
That me a try
Brother,
to tell
that's
you,
cool,
brother.
man.
That me a
Yo,
try
we
to
don't
tell you.
spend money
free,
for
brother.
No,
woman.
no,
You
no,
spend
no,
money
no,
for
no,
woman, you
brother.
know. A woman spend money for
You
woman.
That's why woman not tap
You
me
see me,
about
that's
him,
why
man,
them
kind
rate
of
me.
like listening
Yo,
to
me
me,
general,
boss.
and that's why I get them rate me.
No.
You see me?
Are your
Cause
money
you
there
wanna-
rated on you?
I spend the money.
No.
Every time me and them go out, me
As
and
the
them
money
spend
done,
that
then
money.
done.
Alright,
You see me?
everything.
As the
Them
money
done.
done, then done.
Then gone, but I still spend.
No.
We don't get no
No,
more.
I'm here, man. If you call upon him anytime I say, you know, say, man,
Boss.
want
We
2,000,
can
they
call
call
for them
you.
anytime.
Now listen to him, man.
You know, tell him my game, Nick.
Remember, see, I make him to you, you know.
Eh.
Saying,
anything
and him
else.
go on like say, yo, him can make
Alright, be sure you pray. Say, make this one night
General.
crack out. I be tell you, so want the money, you gonna see.
Yo,
She a spend for me. You
general.
don't spend money for a woman, a woman spend the money for me two bossy.
Real boss.
You know what? As we attack, wash up some plate and go check it for it.
Wash up plate.
Yeah, I never wash up a plate. Just do it.
Oh.
And then, you see me so.
Yeah, man, car.
Get some more you do know? If I your father used to go back in ideas,
Yeah.
bring him go there.
Oh, yeah, man, me know that spot.
Yeah,
there,
man, bring him go there, man.
I wish I that.
Yo, I'm big up on yourself, yeah.
Somebody are going.
Me just go show you a spot, because I remember say me have to go check for me.
Just a spot alone.
You have money for you, so
I link
I bring you
you
there.
You see me, so me
Anything I
just
say,
go show
do
you a
it.
spot.
Yo, father, we knock
Yeah,
up
man.
now.
Alright, let's big up
You know
yourself,
what
yeah.
I got, yeah.
Yo, remember you have money for years. So bring him there, yeah.
Yeah, man, me go carry him now. Yo,
Alright.
don't worry yourself, man. I want a hot spot.
So yo, I which spot you talk?
Out the bridge, man.
So what you say? So what if I get out of bridge?
Brother, how are
Yo,
you, man?
Yeah, man, all 5 bills, brother. Yeah, what you say, 5 bills? I mean, that means I'm not gonna spend about 10 grand, brother.
Eh?
I mean, man,
But
mama
brother,
say-
remember, you know,
Yo,
me
me
gonna show you a spot, you know.
What you say, I'm with spot alone?
Come on, man, me don't show you how, brother.
I mean, brother, I feel excited about this spot, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, man. Yo, so listen, boss, right now, you need to can't sleep for you tell me about that thing, but. So when I say we have go by place again?
That's cool, no, man. I know you want to go up there.
Yo,
Brother, you can't go up there now, brother. You have to go up at them place in a late night,
not
brother.
late night, but what time so you talk about?
Brother,
Cause you're right, I know me I tell you, no, brother, yo, it's when you tell me
Yo,
about that
come
place,
on,
so, yo,
brother.
me I tell you, say, come like.
Brother, look round and look on the place.
This
That's why the place light up.
I mean, man.
You can't go to the bridge now go get none of them woman there right now, brother. You have to wait till it dust up or it kind of late.
What you say? I just place and can just go just check a girl and say
Brother,
you're
school,
ready.
man, I tell you what go on already.
So me not be put in no application like when me a try to do all of them time.
Just wait till you come on and see what go on, brother. Tap your chatting. So, brother, all the while me a go down in my pocket to buy liquor, brother. You can't buy with all liquor make you drink, brother.
Well, you know, so me not tell you no lie. Me say no, you know, so right now me can't buy two beer, probably not.
So, no go on, brother. One time when a nigga ask you if you sitting, brother, I wanna go on like
Well, me
that.
not tell you no lie, yo. Me not tell you no like a chain me have in my pocket to pay me rent. Daddy, you see me I say?
Pay your rent and you
Yeah,
want to go
man.
to the bridge liquor more and a 10
Yo,
man
but
you
me I
want.
tell you, so yo, to be honest, yo, me not really
Brother,
have
just
out a bridge money for me that put on one part. You see me, I just my rent money me have for me now, me daddy. You see me?
Brother, just a Joseph if buy a nigga in a brother. I saw him move all
Yo,
in the
me go see
nigga.
me get two, me grab two water for me. You see me, I see me there.
That's
Nothing
fine,
I
that's
really
fair,
go on,
right.
you see me? Hello, princess.
Hi.
You don't remember me? Me from somewhere now.
No, I know me. I know me.
Sure.
Yeah, me sure. I know me.
Dress up yourself, princess.
Yeah,
Still
yeah.
like you here.
Alright.
Yeah, what's that? Yeah, me, I'll get anything and come back, my general. Listen, man.
Hey, you man saying they even know him. Brother, I want to have one of them who eat out of my friend money too, you know. I look for that hell man that come and ask her, come on. You don't have to take some of my friend money. And tell him saying nothing well. Real girl clown. Chino. Nice man, that man she alone in a one roll. Yo, juvenile, yo, forward.
Watch out.
You don't know the lady there?
No, man.
Oh.
Post me at here.
What's your CR?
Yeah.
Watch her style, you know. That woman that look like she have money, you know. You see where she come pull up? Country store, fresh market, you know. So watch her style, my friend. Let's go over there so and go on like she run over me too, you see me? All more you do just ball out and say, lady, you go kill him, man. See? Plan in a whole heap of money in this, you know. See? Just put the phone in your pocket, you see it, my friend? Watch his style. That's where me take off. Just want you just watch me. You see me? Yeah. Just watch what I want, you know. Just you go ball out, so murder, lady, you go kill him, man. I will go rich after, see?
Yeah.
Yo, father.
Oh, you remember see you gone for your water, you know, brother. Yo,
Yeah.
watch nothing, man. Me so forward, you know, see?
There, all of them.
Yeah. Move, you know, brother. Just stand up this one. Stand up this one, see?
Yeah.
Oh, lady, ako okay, man. Yan siya ano, kaya man food.
Lady!
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ of mercy. Young man, you're alright. Young man, you're alright.
Lady, you're idiot. You're gonna kill me.
Bunks up sa ordinary bus, me never see you. Let me help you up.
Oh, God, walk in the hospital.
God, Jesus, and insurance money, man, they talk about now, I'm just buy the bus.
Jesus.
Sir, let me help you
Lady, my
up,
foot
please.
now moving. Lady, you're idiot. You have money. Oh, God. Jesus, lady, you whole heap of money this go cost you.
Oh, wait.
Like man put
Insurance money, I look, but me don't know you.
Lady, what you talk about?
Me think we meet already, you know.
Oh,
Look
God,
here,
lady.
get up. I hope
Lady, me
so.
not paid enough.
Let me help you
Oh,
up.
God,
Sorry,
I love
I'm
to think that little youth there.
Little, help me him up, little boy. Please, I beg you.
Oh, God. Oh,
Put it on ground. Put your foot on the ground. Let me see.
God, miss my foot. You have this straight out, you know.
You know, bro. Look here.
Oh,
Look here. You know, bro.
miss me sit down in a van that.
Come. You know, if you want to go, let you go. Then I saw hard. You look up in the bus. You just buy me bus in a sign. You really look up yourself so hard in the bus. And then, you know, they talk about insurance money.
Oh, God. Thank you, Jesus.
Suppose me did they come harder than that.
Oh, God, thank you, Jesus.
It's a good thing me know you. Put in your foot.
Lady,
Go inside. What me I go do for you
you're
now?
not really pressure you in a car.
You want to go to the doctor?
Yes, man. Come
Me
now,
go
man.
and take you to the doctor
Yeah, man.
myself.
Come, man. You can't leave me, no. I'm save me.
Jesus have mercy, I want this
Come.
for me now.
Hurry up, lady.
Here, have little lenience for me. Remember, say we meet already here.
Alright.
Do me a beg you.
Alright.
It's just by the bus. We can't
Alright.
afford to no pints.
Hurry up, lady. Hurry up. Oh, God, lady.
That's
Hurry
the
up.
foot that pain you, man.
Yes, man.
Burning man.
They burn him.
Oh.
Jesus.
Hurry up,
I'm
miss.
in business. Me they go in there so we go deal with it.
Oh, God, take your time, miss.
Alright.
Oh.
Man, I'm going to bus dog. And man say me and him a virgin.
That's right. The nearest hospital.
Alright.
The man left me a song gone, brother. That's why I have to say, yo, again, me give me a thing, you know, brother, no man, no, because man just left me a song gone as a virgin and not talk about virgin. So, man, things they want, brother.
Come on.
Mom, no.
Nobody carry youth. Let off youth,
What you
man.
mean? Hold on there. What you mean let off for you?
You can't carry you to hospital with you, man. Let off youth.
So I'm go find him where...
Hold it.
Jesus Christ.
The door that
What
open
is
out.
for me today? Yes, please. Little boy, take care of yourself. I'm man road. Now walk outside of it. You hear? Nice one, sir. So where we are from now?
Just make, when I go, so make your next right turn.
But hospital no they know we up there, so.
Go on, baby. Go on, man.
Where we are go because hospital no they know we up there, so.
Baby, I just show you, I'm pressure you, you know. You don't really want to go to no hospital, you know.
You're not really pressure me through me. And it look like you're up to something because all of a sudden me they reverse and you just come lick up yourself in my bus, so. How say they dent it up?
Baby, I just want to rub it down with some alcohol.
Jesus Christ, you want me rub down your foot with some alcohol?
One more massage with some alcohol.
But back then when the bus just touch you, you say,
I just
you
show
want to go
you,
and
you know,
doctor.
baby, and you know, say, baby like you, I'm not pressure, you know, baby. But
I don't really understand why I second time now me I say and boy I don't know.
yeah, man, because I see it and my foot can kind of stretch out.
I don't know if a bad luck or a sadness this, so you want to go
foot-
that way and
No.
hospital is not that way, so which way, what we are going to do, what we are
You
going
know, if you bother go hospital, see it and my foot and
You
move
want me
now.
massage it for you?
Yes, man.
You
that's-
think you will feel it better if
you
you
know,
massage
you
it?
know, olive oil up on your
Look
house.
here, I have everything up on my house. And you forget about doctor bill and everything. So I don't have to pay you off or nothing, right?
gonna be able to-
Insurance, okay, I don't have to trouble. Alright, you ready? Massage, you want massage, you
Once
want
my
to get.
foot and move them, man.
You can move now, but think it did, bro.
Whitney. Whitney. Hello.
Who that? Now we sleep and keep on wake me up. Who that?
Are you fire in the choppy?
You can't sleep. Come on. Come on here, so.
Oh, I should be doing some. Hello, how you doing?
Are you?
Yeah.
Hi.
How you doing? Let me bring this for you. How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Alright.
I'm not really, but I'm just there. Sleep, I did I sleep.
Okay. I remember there. Yeah, I'm because you know, I tell us if you just go and put in some room till we come back, I go check on someone and you know.
What kind of work you do?
You know, say me own my own construction company. Yeah. So me I do medical thing, you know, but me just decide to me have to go check on you and make sure you're alright. You understand?
I understand. So, you just come and tell me say you come.
Remember you tell me if you come last time to me let you have?
Me?
Yes.
When?
When me bring you home last night, you tell me if you, so me can come back.
I don't recall that. I don't remember that.
Probably you just in there traumatized and things, but you understand, you understand?
Well, I don't remember if I tell that. I'm not going to fight because I say me tell you. Maybe me tell you, I'm not.
You tell me man, you tell me if you show, come.
I'm going to look at trauma. So. You want to come inside and sit down?
No problem.
Come, let me get it. You want some water?
No, not really, me good.
What?
No, I'm good, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Thank you for the roses. I really appreciate it. It's beautiful.
So, are you alone here? It was look nice too.
Well, basically, you can't say that.
So, where man, you gonna find you left you?
No, he left me, but he left me forever because
Me understand anything there now when relationship not work out. Me understand.
No,
You know?
not like that.
Like how? Hmm?
Impasse.
Shit. Sorry. My condolence.
2 weeks ago in Berry.
2 weeks ago.
We're still traumatized from the whole thing. That's the reason why I hardly talk to people. Just go work, come in back, cry every day.
Sorry about that still, man. Just hope you get over it. You know, and bring back yourself for that level, you know?
I think this is something we can get over based on how I see it. Because it's just me alone. And nobody around me if say alright, then comfort her, you know, say she alright and everything. I just him alone I did have, and then gone. So I just have to that one, hold the faith. So, what about you? You have nobody in your life?
No, I'm not nobody, I know. But if somebody come and step on the right path, that's what me depend, work-wise, I know. Bill can start a different business on the side. Why not? But if you not do that, and she I go, that's how to make description.
Okay, I understand. Well, when you find somebody soon, just go and search.
So like when you say you're there by yourself, so you know, as me know, say we just meet her. If anything you want, you can call for me, you can do what you want. So be there by your side as a guardian angel, you know.
Basically, I really need somebody by my side, yes, but I don't think I'm right.
You're not at the point because I will be there for you. I understand. I will be there right now. And I'm ready to massage your foot right now. Keep you
I
company.
love that, yes,
If
but
you need somebody shoulder to lean on, you can lean on mine.
I'm still not ready.
Hello.
Hi, darling. How are you?
Not bad enough. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I help you, please?
Yes, Brittany not there work today.
No, she's not here today.
Oh, you know me did bring the bus so she can wash it off for me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Can I help you?
You hear from her or nothing?
Yeah, man.
Okay and everything.
Yeah, she okay.
Alright, you know where yourself. Me check her also.
Okay.
Thanks, yeah.
Safe drive, darling.
Alright. Yeah. Oh, Brittany, finish today. I could have
Hey, look, someone.
no call her soon. Go try call her before me go away, yeah?
Yeah, man.
So you call her and get her. Oh, no.
Well, me like how you rub my foot, yes, but I call her for rub back my foot again, but me don't want to really bother you because
Listen. You're not bother me. So when you're ready, I will be here.
Can I keep up?
You understand?
Hello?
Brittany. Brittany. What you son say me there over your workplace, girl? You know their work.
No, I'm not going to work today because a little incident happened yesterday.
Oh, my. I hope you're alright, Serena.
I'm not alright, you know, Shayna. I tell you the honest truth.
Me come if you can get the bus wash off or something. Now, you really know their work?
But I want to see the talk to you in person. I don't really want to talk things over the phone.
Okay, so you have to talk to me face to face. Alright.
We come check it in for anything.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
See, you just relax and feel comfortable. Can't tell me say.
Yeah, me like
When-
I massage my foot, but me still not ready yet. But I call her for massage you again.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Gosh, she not easy, but she not there yet. She have only talk to the boy.
Listen, when she come, the first thing come to she mind, and she will say, oh, me have new man because she don't know you. She will say my man just did and buried 2 weeks ago, and me find new man already. That's what people stay. I mean, I don't want to have, nobody have them bad things there, say what we know and say
Well, that's true, but if you explain to her right way,
and
that would be a
to her
problem.
that's the thing that I want thing with people. I want to explain to them. You must say, I mean, I know she don't want to know our business. I want bag of something. That basically she have to say. I tell her, me know my friend, you know. Me know her.
So you have a life now then?
My God.
I'm fine, we can't see her next 5 minutes, man, because she not come for now, so.
Well, alright then, 5 minutes.
5 minutes good.
So, I just want to thank you for yesterday. I really appreciate what you do for me and help me everything. I was asking if you want to buy your lunch because...
Can I buy my lunch?
Yeah.
No problem with that.
Alright then. So.
The money you give me? No.
You must buy your lunch, yeah?
I think I like it, just take me out and we don't go have lunch. Think of that you are going to do?
2 hours?
Yeah. I could take your money. No, so I could never do that.
If we go have lunch, I'm going to take it out possible today. My friend will come here come up to me. Or even if I today, I'll later down in an idea.
No problem. Just, you never take my number, right?
No.
Alright, take my number now so you can come when you're ready. You can see if it's that choppy, okay? See your foot good now, you feel better?
Not really, you're part there. I don't know if I pain or push down here, so but...
Alright, look here now. See when we go for lunch, we can finish your rest. You have a problem with that?
Why would I rub my foot anytime I eat?
See? You know you see there's something there?
So you got eat food and rub?
No, like when you're away from the food. You can do the rest before the food
I'd rather do it at yard. I don't go
Rather yard?
rub no food.
Come on, when you have too much shame, you don't have to shame on the body.
It is not shame. You understand? That a nastiness. Foot and food no
Yeah, tell me this, that means you now wash your foot then.
No, the thing is that when you walk on the ground, foot are eventually dirty.
Come on, man, that's romantic.
Well,
You don't wash the body. This is...
My friends don't come here so much for this. I ask you a couple questions.
Alright, no problem.
Like that.
She must know what she in there do. Going to her.
So, what's your favorite color?
Blue. So yours?
Pink.
Pink. That's your in pink.
I'm saying yeah. This my run from me now.
Girl, big things are going.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
No bother with that. Come here.
Who you have visitor?
No man, now
We have more to leave now, so. You see you, yeah?
Alright then, later.
Alright.
Alright, may call you.
May have company quick.
I not like that. Listen now, yesterday, girl, something happened. I not feel like go. Really serious situation going yesterday. Yesterday, somebody grabbed my bag and threatened to kill me. And I him, person just see him save me yesterday.
But I today no.
No.
So why am I doing here
He
today?
gonna check on because he knows I'm traumatized from yesterday.
Brittany man, you know, because remember say you come out of one already and you're not fully recovered yet. You understand?
No, me tell him already say me no want a relationship.
And besides, it would have too fast.
Exactly, that's what I told him.
Make sure you're on the right track, you know, Brittany.
Shayna, me nah go date him. I already tell him already say my boyfriend just dead and buried 2 weeks ago. Me can't run our relationship so fast. That's what I said to him.
Oh girl,
And I say understand. But if me want nobody to call up and like me go through milk phase in my life, me can call him. I will talk or whatever.
that him say.
That him say.
And you believe that, so you work with that.
Ano siya so? Ano mo sa mga jahil? Eh.
You say I have both. For wash. Oh, which bus that? They wear rent? The rent bus or something?
Rent bus, girl, you're talking about rent bus. You ever see me a rent vehicle?
Because you say you have bus to wash it, you want me to wash it, so I say,
Well,
what you talk?
a little surprise is always good for the soul. I buy a bus. Yeah, it's not brand new in a plastic, but girl, it's in a good shape.
Girl, me happy for you, me not turn the light, so me can go out and about and go breeze my mind. Oh God, thank God.
Yeah, and it's a good time because you
I
see,
can
you
pick
go
me
through
up.
your little trauma and thing.
True.
Me even bring it go a one mechanic already and me make him test out every little thing. see if
Everything
you want
good with
now.
it?
But everything good, I just wash you want wash and
Girl,
you turn up at work.
Me have my work tomorrow. Tomorrow I go wash that. Tomorrow I'm going to wash
So
that.
that I good news when me bring for come
Well,
give you.
listen, me happy for you. Can you pick me up from work and come care me go work? I want you time. No man.
Weird. No, Brittany, what is?
Girl, just calm down and stop.
Girl, they get rules.
No, baby, can't put on my boyfriend grave.
Me not believe you. I will just left you.
No, I put on my
Brittany,
boyfriend grave. No, for real. I know me love my boyfriend and everything.
Yeah,
But
but
you know I love her radio.
You would have tell me, say you have a rose and normally you know always go on your boyfriend grave without me always accompany.
No, me I gonna make her follow me. Me need to go left him. I just go up there and just.
Me still not believe because none of them a type of rose that people they put pan grave.
Well,
You-
more want people
You need to
special.
buy a reed. Make them give you the one with my boyfriend or something.
Me go write boyfriend on the plastic.
You know what? Valentine's Day they come up, so if boy want make you feel special in give rose.
I'm not
before
him give me no
Valentine's
rose,
Day.
me I tell you girl, just come.
Me I disbelieve you. Me did say me not gonna disbelieve you, but right now me I disbelieve what you say.
You know-
Me a old one, me old.
You hold what you want, hold me hold me want hold.
But anything, anyhow, me not gonna have up you.
You can't have
With
me
that,
up.
we are still.
Listen, this year I have to carry my boyfriend grave. You go see I did me a carry go.
Okay,
So
Brittany,
no worry about-
if you say so.
Oh, else.
But you never hear when me out here get the pee, pom.
No.
Girl, me and the on the gas, the revis. Just for you wonder who that out here get.
You never do nothing.
Me never
if
do
I did
nothing.
would I hear?
Okay.
Okay.
Come look if you think I lie. Because you
Alright.
like you believe in a man, would have to believe in your friend.
Yeah.
Come because Brittany, me never expect you to hear still. After me come in and see you and the boy.
Listen to me now, we in here at talk. We were talking, the match I comfort me.
Visitors
You
should,
not even touch me.
visitors should talk outside, me dear.
Yeah.
Come on.
Invite people in your house so they feel welcome.
Like you take things with you.
Me not tell no video, me just want to see. Go on.
And you see when you read, look on near to your house, the bus park, and you go tell me saying that you're that the hand they bring you. Come on.
Watch ya.
Surprise, girl.
We can never tell a lie. Girl, watch ya.
That's why I bring it to you.
Purple and black seat. Girl, I'm proud of you. I'm not telling no lie.
And Brittany, me know you're the only person can deal with this right and proper way.
Girl, I'm gonna wash it down clean.
Because you shine everything.
So, I'm going to drive out here and test drive, you know?
Test drive now, listen, another mission them with on right now. You see when me bring it come a car wash, if you wash it, you have all the time for test drive. Reverse and park it just up on the pump, wash it off, drive it over there. So girl,
Alright then. I'm going to go search it and look for the nice things then. But tomorrow, like what me, I go wash it and clean it. But just going to every triples and corner and check it out.
I remember, I don't set it my way yet.
Girl, me know that.
You
me
know
know
my
say I got
style.
turn up a thing.
Yeah man,
Me
so
not ask a girl look good, me not tell no
look good
lie.
for- because me
Active.
still, so that's why when you always I say, boy, I'm not to shoot out more while and go nowhere. Me I say, boy, Brittany, I see me I try to save something at this minute I see.
Understand man,
Yeah,
me
girl.
like when you do things not silent and just surprise, you
You have
know?
to just move in
Me
a
love it.
silence and kill the enemy them sometime.
That is it. Girl, it's time to me I go back inside.
Well, cause me I go leave too, you know.
Oh, you gonna leave now?
Yeah, me I go leave.
Alright then, give me a hug later. Tomorrow, yeah?
Alright, Miss
Alright,
Tia.
me reach over at 10 o'clock.
Okay, I'll be there. Not easy at all. You know, say, mind tell me, say, man, the boy there is something called. If somebody help you, you could have talked to him outside and you could have found one cool spot, shady in a yard or something. Anyhow, left that right there, so. Oh, wait, tell me my boombox there. Backside. But I never hear so me left the boombox over there, so I reach all the way around here, so. I don't understand how when me come, I never pass nobody out here. But you must sign here. Yo.
Chosen, you see the man there come down the stuff. The youth, the aim. I want Mr. Brings.
God knows.
Yes,
Books
the
there.
drink him out apart. I want bar on this. I want party of the night, you know.
See books there.
Yes, take his number and even call him.
Yeah, girl.
You can check him and see where you can get.
God knows right now. You know.
Anything you're saying go by law. Him listen to
He
him.
look fool.
See back come the Chosen. Attack him. Girl and them like sticks. Not laugh. Girls where you can get.
Hi. What?
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good, you know. So how are you doing?
I'm good, man. Me hear some nice things about you, you know.
Like what, sir?
Me hear say you're a really nice man. You're a good man. You're a good, nice man. Well, you know, you're loving and something. Yeah? That's true? Or hear
Why,
say.
you know, you would have, you know, still, man, know if I try me take care of a lady, you know what I'm saying?
But by right, you're a man. You're supposed to.
Part of my duty, man.
So where are you headed?
You know, see me head up the road, so.
Gonna do a business you take care, you're gonna
No,
chill
really,
out.
you know, so the princess, me I go up the road, go see if I can see and sit down and reason with.
But me you go sit down and reason and have a drink, man. Come on, man. Come on, me get to know you. Come on, man.
Yeah,
I
man,
like
I
you,
don't know.
you look like a one nice
So-
man.
Mr. Brings me call him. Nah look. You like me not see him.
Such a nice time. Yeah, tempted. Yeah, swear. Yeah, swear. You see me? So what you drink? You know what I run you drink?
I like white rum. What do you like?
No, say apple time I drink.
Well, I drink white rum and you have it appetite.
Listen, Brandon.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm great. Nice to meet
They get
you.
two special, but yeah, white rum special, Brownie. And appleton special. So,
What about
Why?
my chair? You're not being a gentleman. What about my chair?
look at see a nice chair and take a chair.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for being a gentleman.
A chair that kind of way.
Where? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, princess. Yeah.
Yeah.
So baby, I say after we have some nice time, have some drink. You me I say,
You can have a little bit more room, please?
me no mind. I could have walk home with me later. You see me I say we have a finish up. A nice time, you see me?
You like chill and get to know each
Yeah,
other more
man.
and stuff like that?
You know all of that come down in idea, you see me? You give me baby, I like you come over and we can sit over our house
Yeah.
and have a nice time, talk, get to know each other and all of that. You see me I say?
Yeah.
That one thing for I just say somebody
Yeah.
tells me I'm a nice man, but in the end I am really nice.
Yeah, so I've heard.
Like take care of a lady and then make her way there. You see me I
Cheers
say?
to that. I'd like to get to know you some more. As I said, I've heard good things about you.
Believe me, they were having a long time still.
Yeah, you look like my type, you know? You
Yeah.
like my type of man.
You
You're
look
firm
like my
and
type still,
strong.
you see me?
Yeah.
Wow.
You see what like your type? You see what you like?
Everything about you nice, baby. You see?
Okay.
Shine.
So I make you enjoy yourself, bring you out, make you have a nice drink, malt to cool your nerves, you know? I understand. See me is not a bad person.
Well, me never tell you say he's a bad person, you know. I didn't say that. But I kind of feel the vibes in a bit. Not saying nothing bad, but if you understand what I mean.
I understand, man.
You know, so I'm not going to cheer for everything will take place so fast.
Nobody now gonna get over that so easy.
You really are a good thanks, man. Yeah, baby, you know, so everything I saw about later here.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
And what me tell you something, baby. You know, I want to ask you about me that love for you for me, baby.
Yeah.
I want to be here. You don't want to get some groceries or something, because you know I want to come chill out with you and spend some quality time with you, you know,
Don't worry
baby.
yourself, money, I know my problem. Your problem, what I do.
Yeah, I want to spend quality time and make sure I'm comfortable and my mind relax, you
Money, I know
know?
my problem.
Yeah, baby.
I say,
Yeah.
like, take care of my lady.
I'm like you, you know. I know you're a good man like that, and I'm going to rate you like that, baby. Thank you,
You know,
baby.
you count money now, that's something give you the money.
This is like you with the
Chosen,
baby.
Chosen.
Yeah.
Come here, come on. You remember say your pot pan fire. You want the bottom burn out?
Lord Jesus Christ, baby, I was cooking. I'm so sorry. I
Yeah,
never
this
remember.
time.
I'm so sorry.
me glad this
Alright,
time.
here's what,
You
baby.
build up me up so much.
I'm so sorry, honey, but guess what? We're gonna take a rain check. I'm gonna get all dolled up for you. I'm gonna come back
Baby,
and
me
link
feel
you,
a
baby. Just
way,
relax, the man.
Come
Give me
on,
a
look
hug,
how
baby.
far
I
you
have to
reach.
go. I have to go. I'm gonna come and look for you, yeah, my baby?
Babe, serious.
No, me, I come back, come
Babes,
look for you,
call
baby.
me,
I
no.
say you're the big man, no, baby. Stop.
Chosen, come on.
I don't want to
Yeah.
pat bun up. Me, I call you. You
Yeah.
with me, I call you.
Yeah,
Come on,
interested,
girl.
come on.
No,
Baby, make sure you call me,
me, I
yeah?
call you, baby. Me, I call you.
Chen was done. Can't believe saying I means that this brother and that all boy. Yo, me know, yo. Look at the nice time we get and I can't believe say this a nice girl that slide for me and brother. Me have to make Nick know you. I no wonder Nick them I say, yo, me soft dog. But God knows star. Yo, me have to make him know exactly what I go on. Cause yo, me I tell you say, everything when I go on good for me, you know. Boy, Chen, yo, me feel you. And you still get take off all the money off of me again, you know. Boy, yo, just feel it, yo.
Chosen, give me some of the money when we see you get now.
The man give me one nice 50 pack for them here.
So
Get
give me a
some
drinks
food
money
for
now.
it. Then I must friend give me one nice client to the friend.
Thanks. I could give me a little more buy one seafood
Oh,
bowl.
man, go, you love
And
money
$5
too.
grand for your seafood.
The man give me one. No, girl. Make your man name by your client, have your client name too.
I'm missing you, you know. Remember, see, I'm missing him. I
A good
know.
client, girl. Him
Yes,
good,
him
girl.
know me, you know.
Girl, the
Me-
man seem cool. Girl,
Miss
Mr. Rub him down.
Books him.
Mr. Rub him down.
But me tell you, say, who I
Me a
come.
go on there.
Mr. Brinks. You hear me
Say
say?
Bob's there.
And biggest, him mother than Beryllium.
Girl, he have money, girl.
Him have money more than
And he
Beryllium.
just smooth and easy to deal with the girl.
The day for you. Always have a day for you. You understand? That's so come you go and get to know me. Understand? You must say, Rome, I believe in one day, you know. It's taking time and bill.
I know that, but me still not gonna jump in and nothing so fast.
We never
Yeah,
expect
take
you
me
for
time.
that still.
And do me me still stress and paranoid and frustrated about everything.
Can a man,
So,
I tell you say, you can make hunger sing for you. Don't worry yourself. You're on the beach, you know. But that's why I just, look, you know, that's why I stop yourself. Because I don't want to walk up and look for you. First and foremost, in the table like cancer food.
I told my time I drink since we still right here, so I'm gonna come. So might as well make.
You want to come, man, because you say you walk up and say you live. So you have to walk yourself. You understand? Just,
Anything I
if
say.
you wait for 5 minutes, and you're going to see my papa. Well, no, no, me I tell. Because white people sing up on the beach, you know. It's a singer. You understand? That's how you make him the money and you know understand? That's how you feed your family. You understand?
Understand.
Yeah. I'm different they do. After this and anytime you run and you want to go on a date, I will be here. This is me car. I'm not afraid to go up on
You
a
just
date.
keep on bring up date
Stuff
thing
in there,
every
that's-
minute. I mean, I already tell us something already. Say, I think me ready. If none of them something there. So what man now let's have a come. You can't get on hand.
Yeah, man. I will see you, man.
I him.
Yo! Power me, Jenna!
Him man I go pass in. I wait till him pass it up him. You know, loud up. So. Yep. No sir. You're very loud.
Yo! Jenna! Nuts! Come here, uncle.
Boy, yeah, go ahead, man, as you know.
What was we get bigger now, man? What's your man?
Big. That's an Uncle Tax.
Alright, sorry, sir. What on?
I don't let me get loud pie and nice, you know. Hello, mother, will look
Keep it
nice
down, man.
and
Keep it
stunning.
down.
Yeah, son.
I know some people like works for you.
No, touch me, man. Your family.
Like works for you,
You have a
man.
work for me.
Yes.
So now you give me a work. Lady, I don't for me do.
In a song you say you sing?
A song you want me sing?
Yeah.
You want me
sing
sing
it.
or you want me sing it?
No, more than sing a song PR.
You want me sing for you?
Yeah.
Alright, watch it now. I know where yourself, see money pala. I know beach
Don't worry
never
yourself,
too
man.
hot.
We go and give you money, man. Huh?
The beach never too hot, so feel free.
Finish that today.
Lady, you don't have to put nothing on the pan. I hear.
Okay.
Boy, that money. Sit down, man. You get up, let me see.
Good, man.
You're good.
Yeah,
I
man.
want to see young fan, man. Believe me.
Yeah, no. She got you a little face.
You got your face.
Someone you sing, you know, cheer her up.
What kind of face, baby?
No, man, I say, baby, just sing.
But that woman,
Just sing. You don't have to say, baby. Just sing now. Sing.
I see me, I think, telling you.
Alright, alright.
Hey, what? Girl, you look so fine. I like your smile. Woo!
but how is it you more than me?
I wish you were mine. Don't feel no boy. I owe my man thing.
If he's a apple, but sing same way.
Walk little boy the side of you. You need a real man tonight. Nah. Woo. Take a shot, man. Soon come. No, I'm not saying money I got a punji. Yo. Boy,
I don't like it, uncle. I don't like his song when you sing. I don't like a song.
You like a song? I'm not singing one from my heart, no boy.
I don't like a song.
Your uncle tried, so why
Alright,
You know, you know, if you say baby part, I don't know me what this boy and.
You like that, man?
Yeah.
Hold him, man, and let him go. Hold him, man, hold him, Jesus. Save the little boy's soul. Hold him, God, hold him. I make him hurt this pretty little baby girl. Hold him,
more money in there?
hold him. What happened? Hey! I feel the fever. I feel the fever. I feel the fever. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I say, hold him, hold him. Yo, you no money. Done?
No, have
No,
more.
no.
Have more.
You can't see one more, man.
You have more money?
Have more?
Tomorrow, I'm going to make yours.
Let me see more money in there.
No money in there, just a car alone in there.
Give me
No,
care
talk right, you know.
We see just a
You
car.
work.
You can't give me 5,000.
Put the card night. I know right down the pin. I business we are the one. I'm not on the beach tonight, so I'm not on the beach, so if I have some come
So my uncle gave me?
Yo.
No, in real life,
business,
see?
Hey,
business,
you remember
business,
Sammy is the
business.
change of pampas boy. Do the right man.
Alright, look here now. We go check you around your house.
Check me.
Yeah, we go get
I
him.
drop on last one, because I'm kind of tired still. You see the rum done, I'm gone.
No take no more sit man,
No
no
man,
sit
no sit. Yo, what is?
How much are you this man? How much you put in there?
No brother man, that don't look good.
You don't make no pam.
Look at you make no
Bandy.
fine night there.
I mean, I give you something. Tomorrow, I tell you, I'll give you a rest.
Is it true? I and I see
I
say.
said, you just go in and brace something, I'm a little. You so came with a little, but
You
they
look
will
like-
give me, have to make me learn.
Something to there. So put the fun and joke aside and let me do something nice for you guys.
Yeah.
I don't really know much about you, lady, but you sure is a beautiful thing. And if the boy ever do anything, you live right around there, sir.
Alright, done. Rum done. Me rum done, uncle. Come on, check it.
Give me babe.
Hold him.
I know all them man. Ready?
Yeah, run it.
Beautiful girl all over the world. I could be
You're the same full of eyes, man.
hope you're racing.
Oh, uncle, alright. Hey, come. Come. Tomorrow, check you. Tomorrow. Okay, no. Now come check you tomorrow, man. I understand. Remember, say, me forget what. Okay, no, mommy. Okay, no.
So we are in the man for. No,
Okay, no.
Your
Mommy
money
send
done
more money.
still.
Okay, no.
Yo.
Look at me say to you, because mommy send more money. So I'll give you that. I'll give you when I forget. Understand?
Okay.
Alright.
Where said you wanna do right
Go on,
one for you?
You man a right
Go
man,
on,
baby girl.
go on. Me find out. I give you money when mommy send me. I'll give you one of the give. Go on.
What?
Hey, Uncle full of drama, come here,
You know if I right thing we do. You say it done. Come, we are go. Make it go.
If you're so jealous now, we're not
No, I
doing
say it done.
Excuse, sorry.
Yeah man, thank you all for watching to the end. You understand? And if you watch to the end and you never remember to like, do you right thing. I know when you get caught up in the vibes, you know. You understand? Over there do you right man, and big up to all of the consistent supporter them where do you right. You understand? We appreciate you know. You understand? So just continue locked into the channel. Great things in store. Out.